Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about land use and landscape change in Unit 1 Environmental Concern under Environmental and Agriculture subject. So what is land use? It's a function that humans apply to the land available to them. The study of land use is the study of how the land is managed, including how the nature world is adapted to human needs. Yes, zoning is related to land use, but is how government related and control it. So now we are going to discuss about importance of land use. So these are all the importance. It tells us a great deal about the governments making the decision for land use and the priorities they hold. The better we understand the way the world has been adapted to human needs and in what pattern, the more we can predict future trends. And finally, the better we can predict the future of land use, the more we can prepare for negative impacts. So here we have 7 types of land uses. Number 1, residential. 2, transportation. Institutional, open space, industrial, commercial, and finally agriculture. So we start with agriculture. So agriculture land, which is used for growing crops and rearing animals, is the oldest human use of land. Yes, and agriculture landscape. Next, we need to discuss about the landscape. As agriculture is the first human activity, agriculture landscape are spread in all continent and population. Like the industrial landscape, agricultural landscape are not equally distributed between the developed and undeveloped world. For example, North America and Europe are categorized by a wide presence of rural landscape. Yes, with intensive agriculture. In these areas, large agricultural fields are subjected to a periodic rotation of crops. And in this way, by using modern equipment, huge quantities of produce are exported and devoted to industrial production. Also, animal farming, the last picture, is very developed. It represents the main economic support for Denmark and Ireland also. And also in most of African, Asian and South American countries, agriculture still represent a subsistence activity. Agriculture production obtained with primitive techniques only manages to satisfy the needs of few people. Moreover, traveling agriculture is very popular. It's a very precious activity which is also very dangerous for the landscape. It's based on the deforestation of surfaces after setting the vegetation on fire. And finally, white lands are farmed with a determined type of plants, generally the most requested for exports. This, of course, impoverishes the heterogeneity of the landscape. Thank you.